Hi, I'm Jim Curtis, Holiday Valley Operations Manager. We're going to do a little update today on the Yodeler High Speed Quad. Since the last time we talked, we've taken all the towers down. Process was we started at the bottom with a big dozer and a crane, taking towers down as we was coming up the hill. We would take the cross arm off the tower, and then we'd lift the tower itself down, lay it down on the ground, down to it with a dozer and a set of wheels, tow it to the bottom. We moved the warming hut. As you can see, it's at this new location. That process we blocked up in the basement, had to slide I-beams underneath it, raise it up in the air, roll it out forward from off of the foundation, and raise it up in the air, put wheels underneath it, hook it to a truck, pull it forward, and then you kind of reverse the process where you lower it down onto the beams, build the cribbing in the new location, roll it back into place, and right now it's setting into the new location about 3 feet higher than the final resting place will be, but it's up in the air so we could pour underneath it, the foundation underneath it, the wall, the basement floor, and then we'll lower it back down onto the foundation. We've taken all the old foundation from where the building was, the concrete floor. It's ready for the return terminal on the new high-speed quad. Started doing excavating at the bottom for the bottom terminal and the first tower. Today we're going to pour tower 1, that will be complete for all the concrete at the bottom, and then we plan on moving to the top, pouring the whole top terminal, digging, putting rebar in, forming it up, and then we'll start doing the towers in between. So we'll have 2 through 7 to do once the top terminal has been completed. So far we've received probably 13 truckloads, new lift parts, variety of stuff, towers, terminal parts, shiv trains. We still have to cut some more trees. In a few places it was a little narrow yet, so we had to take a few more trees out. The next step up at the top here is preparing for the top terminal. I'm standing on the center line of the lift. You will unload to my right, and over here the lift house will set further right towards Independence that way. And if you look over my shoulder, that's kind of the line that the lift will run towards the bottom. Well, here we are at the bottom terminal. The 2 holes closest to me will be for the bottom terminal. The hole furthest up the hill is tower 1, and that'll be a depress tower, so you'll come out of the bottom terminal, you're going to the depress tower, and then head up the hill. The lift house will set over on the right hand side looking uphill. You'll load on the right hand side looking uphill. This lift will resemble Morningstar, where the lift house is, the ramp, the whole configuration is Morningstar. You can see the guys behind me, they're final prepping tower 1. We're going to pour that at 1 o'clock this afternoon, and that tower will be complete at the end of today. And our plan is to pour the next 2 and be done by the end of next week. So this whole bottom area will be finished poured by the end of next week.